everyone, thank you so much for coming to my channel. My name's Madison. Some of you may know me from another channel that I have about food and how to save money doing that. This channel is going to be about how I am making extra money, pet sitting, dog walking, house sitting, doing drop-ins for pets, and so much more. A lot of what I do is through Rover. Some of what I do is private clients that I found on my own. So if that's something that you're interested in, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will have content up soon about everything. I'd like to do content about what a day in the life is like. I'd like to do some content about things that help me, like supplies. So if you see this video and you're interested, let me know what a video is that you'd like to see and what the content would look like for you. It's been super amazing. I honestly want it to be my full time. So that's what I'm working towards at the moment, is making it my full time. So if that's something you're interested in, as well as like seeing like the financial aspect of like how to do that possibly, that is definitely something that's on my list. So yeah, I'm really excited. I've been doing Rover since February, and I'm already thinking about how to take it to be full-time, so that I can kind of give you an idea about the kind of money that is possible in my city. It's not going to be like that for everyone, but there is an opportunity to definitely make some extra money if you love pets. If you do not love animals, please do not sign up for Rover. It is very important. These animals matter, the people matter that you're helping. So if you're just wanting to get some extra money and, animals aren't your thing, maybe do DoorDash or another platform that doesn't have anything to do with like a living being that you're taking care of. So yeah, okay, so that's the end of this video, but I think the next video that I make is going to be about the items that help me or the financial aspect. So you let me know if you see this, let me know what you'd like to see, and I will definitely, consider which one is better. So yeah, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.